Today, I'm going to tell you about Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. I'll tell you what there is to do in this cruise port and if it's worth your time. If that sounds interesting to you, please keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a splendid day today wherever you are. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Kim and I'm happy you stopped by. I visited Puerto Plata when I was on a Virgin Voyages sailing. And this is both a new and an old cruise port, but I'll explain that in just a second. Before we dive in, if you like cruise videos, please give this a big thumbs up. And I'd also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of cruise videos on a lot of different topics, and I would love it if you would join my traveling party. Puerto Plata was a very popular cruise stop decades ago, but then it was mainly used for cargo. It opened again to cruise ships in 2015, and some of the cruise lines that visit this port include Norwegian, Celebrity, Royal Caribbean, MSC, and Virgin Voyages. Puerto Plata is on the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, and this area of the country is known as the Amber Coast. In this video, I'm going to focus mainly on what there is to do right when you get off the ship, right there at the cruise port. And when you do get off the ship, it is a decent walk to the port. Now, if you don't want to walk, there is golf cart type transportation that you can use, and there is no cost for this. You just have to tip the driver. Now, when you get to the port, the first thing you're going to see is a last-minute excursion desk, and this is where you can stop and ask about things to do outside the port. Now, when I visited, Virgin had canceled our catamaran cruise excursion, so we did stop by this desk and ask what was available. We ended up going to an all-inclusive resort. It was around $60 per person, and that included lunch, drinks, pool towels, and also transportation to and from the resort, so it was a really good deal. Now, this wasn't the nicest all-inclusive resort I've ever been to, but for the price, it wasn't a bad deal. And if you'd like more information about this option, I will link my Dominican Days review video at the end. But if you want to just stay in the port area, there is enough to keep you busy for a few hours, and I would definitely encourage you to get off the ship because it is a fun area. They have a couple pool areas with pool bars, and there's also an area on the beach for sunbathing, but just know that you can't swim in the ocean here. They also have several cute shops for browsing. The shops sell beachwear, clothing, jewelry, accessories, Dominican chocolates, and there is also a cigar store there. port also has a few places where you can grab a bite, but my recommendation would be to eat breakfast before you get off the ship, then spend a couple, 2 or 3 hours at the port, maybe grab an appetizer or a snack, and then get back on the ship to eat lunch. And one must-do in the port, in my opinion, is to go visit the spider monkeys. There's a very nice enclosure there where they have spider monkeys, and they do allow you to interact with them. It costs about $25, and you go through a briefing to keep the monkeys safe and comfortable. They care very much for these animals, and how it works is when you go in, you sit down, they give you a little bowl of food, and the monkeys can just jump all over you. It is a lot of fun, but be forewarned, you might get peed on, and I speak from personal experience on this one. If you'd like more information about this monkey business, you can check out my Dominican Days video that will be linked at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've been to Puerto Plata, please leave a comment below and tell me how you spent your time there. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye.